Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the print heads on your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the printer from here. So let's just open it up. Now, what you guys need to do is, let me grab the camera and show you. Here, as you guys can see, we will have the print heads. Now, what we can do is we can open them and we can get them out of here. So, this is basically how you guys can change them. Now, if you got the second one, I don't have it, so I have to use this one. We just need to place it like that. Now push it inside, and here we need to close it. So let's close it like that. As you guys can see, now it's ready, and now we can move it right here. Now we can close the printer and everything should be fine. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.